In this video, I'm gonna show you how to stop Wallpaper Engine from running on the background. It is very quickly and very easy, okay? First of all, I will point out that this process works on any version of Wallpaper Engine, okay? So the first thing you need to do is come to your taskbar on this arrow right here and open all background apps that you have on Windows, okay? Then you just need to find Wallpaper Engine and click on top. After you do that, you will open this page and you can use two options to do this process. You can pause Wallpaper Engine, okay? If I want to pause, you can see that the wallpaper is not more a live wallpaper and I can quit. If I click quit, you will see that Wallpaper Engine is not more on the background, okay? It's not more running on the background. If you want to run again Wallpaper Engine on background, you just open the app and that's it, you already are using again. I hope I helped you how to stop Wallpaper Engine from running in the background. So if this video helped you in any way, if you like what I went, subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.